Hey guys, it's Sejal. So a lot of the times, just to look hot, we end up wearing something that we later realize is something we can't sit in, stand with our legs wide open in, raise our arms in, or even breathe in. And I used to be that girl too. I definitely don't look comfortable here.
So since I let Mohak pick clothes for me a few months back for a video, his boring but comfortable style has rubbed off on me. And hey, I found a way to make it look nice and trendy as well without feeling really uncomfortable. So that's what this video is about. Make sure you hit subscribe if you enjoy. We're almost at 600,000 subscribers, which is pretty close to 1 million if you think about it, which is insane. So make sure you hit subscribe. Let's get to 1 million subscribers quickly and let's get started.
So the first thing I want to talk about are pants. Now, a lot of different kinds of really comfortable pants in all shapes and sizes are available in stores now, which is great because I'm not particularly a fan of the traditional jeans because you can't really do much in them and they're a little restrictive. So pants like these, which are white pants, palazzos, pattern pants, or whatever, I think they look really fashionable and stylish. Like this outfit here, I think it's just so perfect for summer. To show you guys another option for these awesome kinds of pants. So these are really popular at the moment, the ones with the side slit. I got them from H&M and just paired with a simple graphic t-shirt, I can literally do cartwheels in this outfit and it's still so good looking. I've recently fallen in love with midi dresses only because you don't have to worry about something being too short or how you have to sit or how you have to walk. They just look really pretty, feminine and really elegant, and especially the style which cinches your waist. I think it flatters almost everybody. And just choose a really bright happy color like hot pink and you will look so pretty for summer. Of course, midi skirts also make so much sense. I wore this for my YouTube FanFest panel day in which we had to sit all day, so I didn't want to think about how I have to cross my legs and all of that stuff. And honestly, the style of the pleated skirt is so pretty, and even this length in general just makes you look leaner, taller, more graceful, and it just makes your body language look so nice and elegant. So definitely a really easy way to look good when you're being hell comfortable. Another style is like this denim skirt that I have. It's a little bit sporty, so it's just another different style I wanted to show you. And paired with this sporty high neck crop top, I think this look was pretty cool. So I want to throw in something Indian here. Now this kind of kurtas, which is the tunic kurta, is my favorite kind because it has the shape of a dress and it cinches your waist, so it looks really flattering and it doesn't make you look like you're drowning in something. And I paired it with cotton shorts, which again is a very comfortable option, which was suggested by my mom. And I loved how this turned out. It was so comfortable, guys. I would definitely recommend that you guys try something like this and pair it with some Indian jewelry and you're done. So last thing, blazers. I think they're really great for evening or anything formal and they just make any outfit look very smart. So I just took this cotton blazer that I had and for an evening look I just paired it with a black skirt and a black crop top. Skirts again, extremely comfortable. It's a skirt but they're actually shorts, so you don't have to worry about anything, and paired with wedge heels, I think this is just a very easy, comfortable evening outfit.
So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I am actually heading to New York City today to meet my brother. I'm going to be there for a bit, and whatever the next videos you see, next 3-4 videos are going to be from there, which is really exciting. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe and like and bell button and all that good stuff. You know what to do, and I'll see you soon from New York City. Bye.